They do most of their work in the nearby Sierra Nevada, trying to increase winter snowpack. But even with that, owner Tom Henderson, whom we've already met, has no shortage of customers.
Water districts, municipalities, hydroelectric power companies, those kinds of people. For example, here in the Sierra and in the Valley, groups like the Kings River Conservation District, the North Kern Water Storage District, Southern California Edison Company, Monterey County, and so forth.
You may find it hard to believe that man has been modifying the weather for years and never knew it. Consider the greenhouse effect. A certain amount of heat radiates away from the Earth constantly. The increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, some scientists believe, results in a decrease in the amount of heat that can break away, resulting in warmer temperatures for you and me. Cars and industrial plants add significant amounts of particles to the air, which increase smog, degrade air quality, and, given the right circumstances, can produce acid rain. Pollution is also partially to blame for the seasonal hole in the ozone layer in the southern hemisphere. Another effect man has on the weather is the existence of cities. Large areas of tightly packed humans, buildings, and roads are responsible for making urban areas consistently warmer than places out in the country. This is called the urban effect. Not only does it result in warmer temperatures, but increased rainfall. And in the Central Valley of California, it's ironic that growers and ranchers, which depend so much on the weather, may be themselves changing it. Mass irrigation changes humidity levels across a wide area. The type of crop can change the wind locally as well as the temperature. Large-scale grazing of farm animals as well as their water consumption can result in a net decrease in rainfall. Did you know that cattle are the #1 source of methane in the world? Methane is a greenhouse gas just like carbon dioxide. Unfortunately, methane has a smell to go along with it. This begs the question, is cloud seeding also polluting the atmosphere?
No, because the quantities we use are so small.
First of all, when they do the cloud seeding processes using silver iodide, there's not a tremendous amount released. We're talking in the neighborhood of releasing it into clouds that only have 100 to 1,000 particles per cubic liter.
We'd be looking for concentrations of about 1 part in 100 billion. 100 billion.
Despite all that is known about cloud seeding, there is much more that is not known.
The thing that's exciting about it is that nature keeps changing the ground rules on us. That is, we think we know something about a cloud mass that's coming through, and all of a sudden she pulls some quirky little thing that we've never seen before exactly like that. We have never seen two clouds exactly alike. Similarities, like fingerprints, similarities, but no two exactly alike. So nature's got a whole hat full of stuff that she pulls on us every once in a while. We're learning.
But maybe Mother Nature doesn't want everything to be known.
There's a problem that's going on that's going to be resolved in the coming years. And the problem is this, is that do you live with nature or do you live to control nature? And I think that the basic question there that has to be looked at and everybody has to answer in some fashion is this. Can you be at peace with yourself and accept things, or do you always constantly need to triumph and to compete and to succeed? Is there a time when the human heart can just be content and accept the reality of life around us?
Philosophical arguments notwithstanding, negative consequences due to cloud seeding seem to be minimal, which make the benefits seem all that much better. Increased snowpack means more water, which means more energy from hydroelectric plants, more water for crops. And while we're on the subject of water, have you had your 8 a day? Thanks for watching.